Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to change the background of iPhone home screen in iOS 16 or later. iOS 16 is pretty high on customization, and one of my favorite features of the latest iteration of iOS is the ability to change the background of home screen wallpaper. So if you're also fond of customization and you're looking for a way to tweak the background color of your home screen wallpaper, this video is for you. That all being said, let's dive right in. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 16 or later. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and tap on Wallpaper. Then you have to tap on the Customize button that appears right below the home screen wallpaper preview. After that, you have to choose Customize Current Wallpaper in the pop-up menu that appears from the bottom of the screen. Now you have to choose one of the two circles and then hit the Configure button that appears at the bottom of the wallpaper. Now you will have multiple color options to choose from. Now simply select the preferred option. Besides, you can also drag the slider left or right to select a desired color. Once you have perfectly customized your iPhone home screen wallpaper, make sure to tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the changes. That's pretty much done. So that's how you can change your iPhone home screen wallpaper in iOS 16 or later. Now that you know how it works, make the most of it to fully customize the wallpaper of your iPhone home screen to your heart's liking. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.